In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a voice sound like it's yelling loudly using ElevenLabs TTS. If you're new to ElevenLabs, I highly recommend you take a moment to sign up using our affiliate link, which you'll find in the description. It's a great way to get started with this innovative text-to-speech technology, and you'll be supporting our channel too. Now, when it comes to making text sound like it's being yelled or shouted, there are a few methods you can employ depending on the model of ElevenLabs you are using. If you're working with one of the older models, this technique is quite straightforward. Simply writing in capital letters or using an exclamation mark can be your go-to method. When you write your text in all caps, the system interprets this as a cue for emphasis, often resulting in a louder, more pronounced delivery. Similarly, adding one or multiple exclamation marks will signal the model to raise the volume and intensity of the voice, simulating a yelling effect. However, if you've upgraded to the new V3 model, ElevenLabs TTS offers an even more sophisticated approach to convey shouting. This model allows you to utilize special tags, specifically designed to modify the tone and style of speech output. For instance, you can use tags like shout or yell loudly around your text. When inserted, these tags instruct the TTS engine to adjust the spoken output so it matches the intended action, in this case, yelling. This feature enhances the level of control you have over the final product and allows for more nuanced communication, which is perfect for projects requiring distinct vocal expressions. So, whether you're creating dynamic audio content or testing out new voices and expressions, these methods will help you achieve that sharply raised volume and energy associated with yelling. It's really as simple as that. By taking advantage of either capital letters and punctuation marks in older models or special tags in the V3 model, you can easily master the art of making text-to-speech sound like it's shouting. And there you have it. Implement these tips, and you'll find it incredibly easy to make your content stand out using ElevenLabs' robust text-to-speech capabilities. Remember, if you haven't already joined ElevenLabs, please check out our affiliate link to get started. Your support is always appreciated. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.